We are pleased to show you the 2013 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, tire pressure monitoring system, ambient lighting, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, mid-series exterior upgrade package, including chrome grille, perimeter alarm, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, universal garage door opener, cargo net, leather shift knob. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.